Welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to see about class 8 science measurement 1 mark questions. So the first question is, the process of finding unknown quantity by using a standard quantity is known as dash. It's known as measurement. So measurement is about finding the unknown quantity by using a standard quantity. Dash is required for perfect measurements. So basically three things are required for perfect measurements. One is acceptable unit, instrument, and the other one is standard quantity. So there are three things which is required for perfect measurement: instrument, standard quantity, and acceptable unit. So you can write any of these three. So third question is, the SI unit are also known as dash. So it is known as International System of Units. So it's abbreviation of SI unit. Next one is, dash is a British system of unit. This is a 1 mark question, a reader. So the British system of unit is FPS. So next fifth question is, dash is the measure of average kinetic energy of a particle in a system. So temperature is the measure of average kinetic energy. Here the kinetic energy means it can also be stated as a degree of coldness or hotness of a substance, can also be defined as temperature. Next one is, the melting point of an ice is referred as dash. So here the melting point of ice is referred as lower fixed point, whereas the boiling of water is referred as upper fixed point. This is another important question, but I have not mentioned here, you can refer it. So the seventh question is, the clinical thermometer used by the doctors are graduated in dash. So usually there are three thermometers which has been used. One is clinical thermometer, and the scientists are using thermometers which is graduated in Kelvin scale, and temperature, body temperature is measured in Celsius scale, whereas clinical thermometer used is usually have values in Fahrenheit scale. Next one is, dash is used to measure temperature of an object without any physical contact. So one thermometer is used to measure the temperature without having any physical contact. That thermometer name is infrared thermometer. Next, ninth question is, dash is used to measure current. Current is usually measured using a device known as ammeter. Next, SI unit of current is ampere. So 11th one, the measure of amount of particle in a substance is known as amount of substance. So basically the question itself has the amount of particle, so it can be written as amount of substance. 12th question is, SI unit of amount of substance is mole. So mole value is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 entitles. 13th question is, the substance that conduct current at low temperature. So any substance that conduct current at low temperature is referred as superconductors. Next, 14th question is, dash is the measure of power emitted by the light source. So measure of power of emitted light by the source is known as luminous intensity. Next question is, the SI unit of luminous intensity is candela. It is represented by CD. 16th question, dash are used as a storage element in computers. So superconductor used as a storage element or memory element in the computer, and is also used in tracks, trains, etc. Next, 17th question, dash is a device used to measure the intensity of light. So intensity of light is measured using a device known as photometer. Next, 18th question, the SI unit of luminous flux. So luminous intensity is different, luminous flux is different. The SI unit of luminous flux is lumen. 19th question, the angle between intersection of two straight lines. When two straight line intersects, the angle formed are known as plane angle. 20th question is, the SI unit of plane angle is radian. So the plane angle unit is radian. It's measured by RAD. So radian is equal to 180 divided by pi. 21st question, three or more planes intersecting at a common point forms dash. So when three or more lines get intersected, they form an angle known as solid angle. Next question is, the SI unit of solid angle is radians. It is represented by SR. Next question, dash is activated by electronic oscillation. Quartz clock. Quartz clock is a type of clock which has been classified based on the mechanism. So based on the display, clock has been classified into analog clock and digital clock. Next question, the working principle of quartz clock is piezoelectric property. So, quartz clocking is working on the basis of piezoelectric property. The uncertainty in measurement is known as errors. So, the problem in measurement is known as errors. Dash is the closeness of measured value to actual value. Accuracy is, that is, if we know the actual value of a particular device or experiment, so the value which we measure found to be closer to it is known as accuracy. Next one is dash is the closeness of two or more measurement to each other, said to be precision. Normal temperature of a human body is what? 98.4 degree Fahrenheit to 98.6 Fahrenheit. Next question, the SI unit of temperature is known as Kelvin. It is usually represented by K. And final question is the last question is dash are known as supplementary angles. Plane angles and solid angles were known as supplementary angle. Plane and solid angles were known as supplementary angle. In 1995, it has been changed into a derived angle. Thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.